I am a secret 80s and 90s rap fan. Book. I do podcasts, but I'm still a little old school. I like my books. I like the feel of books. Love the superpower to read minds because I really like to know what other people are thinking. Oh, I like going around the world. I previously lived in Europe. I had a foreign assignment and I loved just picking up and flying anywhere. I would like to be Oprah Winfrey. And the reason I picked Oprah Winfrey is that she often brings in celebrities and she has the opportunity to interview them and find out what drives them. And I'd want to be able to do that. I was nominated to win Black Engineer of the Year for a Bell, and I found out that I won. So I am the 2020 Black Engineer for Community Service in Industry.